Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to set Translate Language in Instagram application. So how to set Translate Language in Instagram application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Instagram app. Next, tap the three-line icon at the top right of the screen. And a menu like this will appear. Scroll down. Tap Language and Translation. Tap to translate. There are many language choices here. Select one. So that's it, tutorial how to set Translate Language in Instagram application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.